Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Two very boring minutes later.
Jonathan, restart. Hello everybody, welcome back to our Blessed Performance YouTube channel. Today I want to take a few minutes to talk to you about
Thousands of tears later.
Welcome back to our Blessed Performance YouTube channel. Today I want to take a few minutes to talk about one of our latest products that we released, the 6.0 Power Stroke Charge Air Cooler Pipe Kit. Right in front of us we have our 6061 TIG welded aluminum pipe. This comes with a one-piece cold side pipe, all the boots and clamps you're going to need. We're also including an extra boot. Our pipe kits come with a rerouting of the hot side pipe to make it easier to install and provide room for future upgrades such as a bigger alternator or compounds. The one-piece cold side pipe is going to be the one last pipe you'll ever have to buy for the cold side. We provide the boots, the clamps, all the hardware that you're going to need, plus our one-piece cold side pipe comes with 3 ports. We have back here, you can use this for nitrous, water meth, charge air cooler temp sensor, or an extra boost sensor. All of our pipe kits are going to come raw. You obviously can powder them, polish them, do whatever you would like. They're going to come raw, stamped with our Blessed Performance logo right here. And of course they're going to come with a sticker. That bad boy adds a solid 50 horsepower, guaranteed. You can find these on our website. They're made to fit, they're made in the USA. That's one of the biggest things. No, they're not going to be China cheap. Our goal is to provide a superior product that fits well and performs well. By increasing the airflow in your 6.0 Power Stroke, you're going to win all the way around. You're going to see improved charge air cooler temps, which are going to lower EGTs, provide better fuel mileage, along with obviously some more power. Anytime you can move more air in and out of your diesel engine, the more efficient it's going to be. And that's what the goal is with this, plus a good fitting product. In America, there's not a lot of kits available. Most of them are cheap China crap. Yep, I said that. Most of them are cheap China crap. These are all made right here in America. 6061 aluminum, TIG welded all the way across. Check them out on our website. Feel free to give us a call, 1-800-577-2698 with any questions about the kits that we offer, any products obviously. Be sure to click like, subscribe. We greatly appreciate you guys' support. Without you, we wouldn't have the opportunity to do this. So just know that we appreciate you, and if you have any questions about this kit or any other future products we're getting ready to release, feel free to give us a call. Follow all of our builds, all of our channels, whatever you want to call them. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all of it. We got lots of fun stuff planned this winter. Thank you again. We really appreciate you.